with new Shyne Poe. Unreleased shit, new shit. It's DJ. Absolute. Come on. Yeah,
I spit secrets of war, disillusion, telling myself life is worth more than coots and cocking and shooting. Fed snooping, fuck 'em, still bubble. Boys, girls, till the empire crumble. I'm trapped in this thing of ours. Mac 10s, Trump towers, feel my soul decaying by the hour. Half-nose candy, getting sucked off. Thinking about the millions I done fucked off. Gotta make it through the struggle, till I'm surrounded by shell casings and I'm buried in the rubble. So I guzzle Louis 14, trying to numb the pain. Thinking about the hustlers that done went and came, ins and out to the game, loopholes and intrigue. I'll probably die victim of my greed, living high speed in the rush for the lust, sluts and bucks. This thus got a nigga fucked up. Pussies and pistols, keep the clip full. Bail money in my head, while lawyers is litigating, I'm making it bang. The thoroughless nigga in every hood, get at me, man. Pussies and pistols, keep the clip full. Bail money in my head, while lawyers is litigating, I'm making it bang. The thoroughless nigga in every hood, get at me, man. I read the fruit from the serpent, diabolic, there's illegal polish. For me it was always a matter of economics. I never did it for the name or the fame. I just thought to watch my mom starve was living in vain. Forgive me, I play by the rules, thus I sin fairly. Share these wounds with you listening, sincerely. If I had equal rights, I'd sin barely. But getting busy getting brains so we can't hear me. Feds on my back, I'm hot living in fear of an 848, but I get the chills when I think of the monies I make. This white powder in my face take me to another place. Pussies and pistols, keep the clip full. Bail money in my hand, while lawyers is litigating, I'm making it bang. The thoroughless nigga in every hood, get at me, man. Pussies and pistols, keep the clip full. Bail money in my hand, while lawyers is litigating, I'm making it bang. The thoroughless nigga in every hood, get at me, man. Fully committed to getting meal tickets, I'm wicked. On no charges acquitted. Rap tape the coke and ship it. Get a rush when the Mac spray out. Get on my knees every night asking God, please stay out. The business, a hood's getting goods cause he just wouldn't understand why I'm knee deep in 100,000 grams. Driving around in $300,000 sedans. But on the Rilla, I'm just a scapegoat. Shit, the Navy transport all the coke. I ain't your problem. Ain't no Uzis made in Harlem. Still I can't get no plea bargain. Shit, sometimes I truly wish my heart would stop, then the pain would stop and I'd hurt no more. When I die, I wanna come back as one of those I killed to see what the fuck he was thinking while I let his blood spill. Bitches fucking me cause I'm cutting keys. Gluttony, power and glory, my story. Pussies and pistols, keep the clip full. Bail money in my hand, while lawyers is litigating, I'm making it bang. The thoroughless nigga in every hood, get at me, man.
DJ Absolute, y'all. Collector's Edition, Part 2. Big shout, Eric Paula, Job, Jada Umbrello. Come on.